Guys, I realized I haven't shared with you a journal that I got from another subscriber a couple months, maybe at least maybe 4 or so months ago. I said something on my Facebook, but I didn't share it, and I think it's really cute, so I'm gonna share that with you. I also want to share, like, I made a book from an old box, so I can just show you that work in progress, and also something that I got from the thrift store. They had all of these great covers, and I thought these are like ready-made covers, and I've already made a lesson plan book out of it, so I want to share that with you. But first, let me show you the journal that Celia sent to me. And so I thought it was so cute. This is made by Celia R. Thank you so much. I'm gonna show you the card. Yeah, so she says, "Hi Wandika, just want you to know how much I like the journals I purchased. I'm very delighted with them. Please continue making them, for I'm sure they are also delight others who purchased them. Here I am sending you a traveler's notebook I made, and for some reason I felt to send it to you. I know you're into traveler's notebooks. Please accept it. I'm a believer in Jesus Christ. I know he has touched me to send it to you. Many regards, Celia." And thank you so much. I put it in this traveler's notebook cover to just kind of keep it and carry it around. I'm not sure how I would use it. I think I might use it as a daily journal or just like making notes, but it's so pretty. I always take it out and look at it, but I haven't used it yet, but I want to. It's lots of sewn pages, pockets, and I like it. Just feels kind of homey to me, just like something I would love sitting down working in. I just need to decide what to use it for, because I haven't actually done my planners. I said I was going to get back into planners, but I haven't. So look at the craftsmanship, and I love the grunginess of it, and it's just like shabby chic. It's really sweet and well made. Like that, you have the decoration, and then you can have a journal note there. And the cute little hearts. And I have some of this paper myself that I'm sewing into a larger journal. I just love all the little touches, the little sewn fabric. So cute. Here we have this. And I like that everything on the back of it, it's usable. You can write a little note there. And for my traveler's notebooks or inserts that I make, it's usually like one signature, but this one has two. So that's really awesome. This cute stamping. It reminds me of the stamp I had before I moved. I haven't done any stamping since I've moved and started back journaling. If I do, I'll definitely get something like that where I don't have to think about it too much, and it can be on pages and have that pattern and that sequence. Lovely place to put a photo. I just really love it. I can't believe I haven't shared this with you before. I think only on my Facebook I had a picture of it when I got it. So many tuck spots. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a pocket. Ooh. Wow. So you see so much attention to detail. And fabric, I love this. This is such a great idea. Put the card back here. And it has its own closure. Thank you so much, Celia. This is so cute and fits perfectly in my traveler's notebook case. So I love it. Thank you. Yeah, so I also may have I've shared with you that I keep a writing log, and so this was the first one, and I had some pages left over, so I kind of am doing an update in this too. And so I try to keep my my writing log like a leather cover, whether it's real leather or I make it look like leather. And so that's the first, the second volume, third, the fourth I used like a hardcover leather, and then of course my story volumes, like where I write like my drafts. It just makes me motivated to work. I just love the vintage thing. So I have 3 story volumes, and this is the 5th, the more recent one. And so I came across this one in the bookstore here, and I paid a lot more than I normally, because like I don't pay like that much for, I didn't pay that much for these. I probably paid like $7 to $10 with a 40% off at Hobby Lobby. But then I saw this one, it was like $60. But I did it because I like the pages inside. And I said, well, and I put some fabric on this because I took it out. And I said I wouldn't take it out. I'll just use it as is because the paper is very sturdy, and I understood why it was that much, because then we have real leather, and then we have like thick thick mixed media paper, you know. But in the end, I still decided to take it out and just use my own tea-dyed paper. So this is going to be my 6th volume of my writing log. The only thing with it is that the tan paper that I had has more of a brown hue than a yellow hue. Like this has more of a yellow, right? So that's the thing where I noticed when the paper came, I'm like, this paper isn't the same. I tea-dyed it, but it has more brown, and I prefer like it had that kind of brighter tan hue. But this will work as well, so no worries. Yeah, so that's what I'm using, and I'm gonna show you some other stuff that I'm using. Yeah, so I told you, as I said, I've made those from that ready-made book cover that I got from the thrift store. I think they may have been hymnals or something, but I saw them, I'm like, I can make tons of books with these, and they were just like 50 cents for it. And I was gonna buy more, but I said, continuing with my mandate not to get carried away and get crazy. I only got like 12, thinking if I decided to do a planner, at least I'd have 12 books. But it just seemed like a better option than getting all of it, because there were like 20 and I'm like, I don't know. I don't want to pat myself up with these. Now I'm thinking maybe I should have just gotten it. But anyway, I had like my lesson plans all over the place, and this is from when I was at UL. So some of these stuff that I wanted I no longer have, so it's just a few lessons, and I just kind of put it all in here, like, you know, my notes, and I only had the pages that were from that original book, and I have some space. I'm going to staple this in. Then this is another one I need to put in the syllabus in here, and some other stuff like this. And then I have more space in here for the intermediate class because I'm teaching that again this semester. So I'll have something ready this time to just, and not just put it in scraps. This was for the advanced section. So it's good to have stuff one place. So, and it feels official, and I got these like, what you call these, labels from the Dollar Tree. So I'm happy about that. And then I have this one. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use it for, but I've had it for a while, and I had the original some lesson plans in here, but in the end I didn't follow through, so I just tea-dyed some more paper from another book and just put it in here. And I just like the feel of it. It's just like sturdy and it's not too cumbersome. You know, I have pockets for if I need to put stuff in, and yeah, so it's kind of becoming kind of grungy and frayed at the ends, but I think it gives it a nice vintage feel because of that. So there's that. And then, as I said, I'm putting together another one of these. I think I might put some of this kind of paper in there, since it's not going to be just like a straight lesson plan book. And I put down some fabric because I didn't like the bright duct tape with the floral print. So I said I was going to get some bookbinding tape, but I didn't get around to it, and I got some brown duct tape, but I thought this fabric had a nice look to it, so I think I'm going to add some different types of paper in here too. I'm not sure if I can use this for another lesson plan book, because this lesson plan book has more to do with my creative writing classes, and I'm teaching composition as well. And I already have a lit book that I'm going to use, that I've been using, continuing from the British Lit. I don't know if I've shown you that before, but it's similar to the writing journal type of leather book that I've used. Yes, I just wanted to show you guys that. And I also have some books that I got at Ross, and I tea-dyed all the paper in them. I'm gonna resew it, and so it's sort of like more flexible cover leather, but I love it. And I'm just gonna sew these. I think these will be drafting notebooks as well, whether for my research or for my fiction. And so yeah, I just wanted to come on and do a quick show with that one. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And check out wandikagale.com/web-store to see what's in there. The journals are 25% off, so take advantage of that great deal. Alright, walk good.